This method can help answer key questions in field of carbon dioxide, geological sequestration, and cool bed methane recovery about the relationship between cool properties and gas adsorption.
The main advantage of this technique is that static and dynamic load can apply on briquette in constant volume states, and the whole experimental process is visualized by photograph modeling.
There is no particular requirement for the species or the sample. Therefore, this method can apply to mechanical tests or any porous rock.
To begin, weigh 1,000 grams and 300 grams of pulverized coal with a particle size distribution of 0 to 1 millimeter and 1 to 3 millimeters respectively. Put them together in a beaker in a mass proportion of 0.76 to 0.24 and use a 6 millimeter diameter glass rod to mix them well. To prepare the cement, put 4 grams of sodium humate powder into a beaker and add approximately 96 milliliters of distilled water. Use a glass rod to stir them and make sure that all sodium humate is well dissolved. Then, mix 230 grams of mixed coal powder and 20 grams of sodium humate solution in a beaker. To produce a standard-sized briquette, coat the inner surface of the shaping tools with lubricating oil. Assemble tool components, bottom plate, main body, and ring, and fill the hole with 250 grams of mixed material. Put press piston on top of the mixed material and place all